Here we're going to demonstrate the LTE Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 OTG adapter in a wired Ethernet application. It should be noted that wired Ethernet is not normally available on a Samsung Galaxy Tab 2. It is only on certain Tab 2s that have the firmware to support that. In this case, we have the Verizon 4G LTE Galaxy Tab 2, which has wired Ethernet enabled. So the components, we have the tablet, we have the adapter, we have a USB A to B cable which comes with the adapter, we have a generic USB to Ethernet dongle, and we have a standard Samsung USB power brick. So just to start the connections, we'll plug in the A to B cable first. Now it's important to note that you have to first power the adapter and the dongle. Then afterwards you can plug it into the Tab 2. As you notice, the Ethernet just came up. We have an icon indicating Ethernet, wired Ethernet in the lower right hand corner, and if you notice just to the right of it, it is also showing that it is charging right now. Let's just go surf the internet just to show you that it is working. Let's type in gossip. Gossip girl. And there you go. So we've just demonstrated the LTE Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 OTG adapter in a wired Ethernet application.